Hey y'all, it's TheRealMinya. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back, and I appreciate your support. So today's video is slightly different. It's my first vlog ever. Okay, I went to Dublin, which is home, and I decided maybe some people will be willing to see how I went on. Most of the footage that I have are some snaps that I took, which are obviously short videos, but I do have some footage of my trip. So if you want to see how my trip to Dublin went on, keep watching, and I'll see y'all on the other side. So I've gotten through security check-in. Now I'm just waiting for my gate number to be released. Outfit of the day, guys. I have this Dior scarf. Got my joggers on from Primark, off-white. And then I have this this cardigan just for extra warmth. And then I have my coat on, obviously laptop bag, rucksack. So yeah, outfit of the day, guys. May not sound like it, but I am super excited. I'm just real chill right now because, you know, I'm on time. I'm not rushing or anything, but I'm super excited. Like, gonna be in Dublin again. But yeah, let's go. I just realized now that I got a window seat. So surprisingly, it's not that cold. I'm just like, wow, Dublin bus. I haven't seen these buses in a very long time. But yeah, these people, they know what they're doing. They're making their money. When you come out, yeah, at arrivals, they advertise the expensive buses, and then they put these local buses that are cheaper all the way over here. So it's like, but since this is hometown, I know what a local bus looks like, and I know that it's cheaper. I came to get the local bus. So yeah, these people, they know what they're doing. The hotel I was staying at was a travel lodge. It's in Dublin South or Dublin North. I'm not sure, but near the airport. And I have quite a lot to say about that hotel. And I will be putting up a review, like straight after this video. I'm filming a review on the hotel just for anyone who ever thought about going there, because it is a hot spot because it's very close to the airport. So just, you know, a review for anyone who may be thinking of going there. So day one, I couldn't check into my hotel until like 3 p.m. I'm sure I could have like had an early check-in or something, but I decided I'm just gonna go to my old college and just see everyone and, you know, visit, because it's been such a long time. And yeah, so I went there. That was the first place that I went to with all my luggage as well. I didn't have that much luggage.
Jarvis.
Now, I do not remember that journey being that long, like, and I used to do that every single day, and I would always make my 9 a.m.s. I was such a good student. I'm still a good student, but like, damn girl, like every morning, that journey, nah, that was hella long. Don't know how I did it. So, nobody. Nobody. And then they put like
You like that one?
Memories, like I'm vlogging my whole journey.
I'm screaming.
I used to walk down these halls, go into class and everything, like.
Bruh, I was off my shoe. Bruno, I trouble myself. Bruno, if I trouble myself now. Bruno, I trouble myself with you now. You wanna fight? Try it. Come. I'll surprise
I was today years old when I found out that Stradivarius has their own like physical shop. I had no idea. I thought it was just online. That's crazy. So after college, I met up with my friend and we decided to go have some Chinese. Unfortunately, I didn't vlog. I just had this short clip, which is pointless, but I'll just put it in there. So yeah, super tired, going straight to sleep. Obviously I have to take this makeup off, but yeah. I was so tired, like super tired. Imagine getting off a flight, having a long journey to your college, and then yeah, it was just a long day. So I went straight to bed. Day 2, I'm already dressed, I'm getting ready to meet my friend, and yeah, I got all my makeup here. Yeah, gonna do my makeup and my hair. These edges need to be laid, honey. Need to lay them edges. So yeah. And me and my friend, we just went to Dublin city center. We were just browsing around and she took me to Wow Burger. I was new to Wow Burger and Wow Burger really wowed me. That's all I can say. And then we took some pictures and stuff. Yeah, I was wearing my jumpsuit from Misguided, which is included in my recent Misguided haul. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it down below.
Kaya nga, nandun na kami ay.
Rested for a bit and then we got ready. We went to Temple Bar and that night there was salsa night. But they weren't just dancing salsa. They were also dancing bachata and kizomba. Salsa is a crazy dance and most of the people who I was dancing with had no mercy on me. Like when, you know, the man would come and be like, would you like to dance? I would tell them, I'm new here, right? Just off the bat so you know what you're dealing with, okay? But this one guy had no mercy at all, and it is quite embarrassing, but I'll just put the footage there anyways. Different experience. I've never went to a dance bar before. No, I didn't drink. Yeah, it was cool. So that was the second night. The third day, we went to Blanchardstown, and that's all the way up north. They have a really big shopping center there, so we met up with 2 other friends and we went to the shopping center. The shopping center over there has a Krispy Kreme factory, so we went there and I got this hat. It's like a sailor's hat. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try ruin my hair, but yeah, got this little cute hat and One thing about me is I can be a hoarder. I like to keep things for souvenirs. Anytime I see it, I'll remember the time that we went to the Krispy Kreme factory. And obviously, I got some donuts. Then we went bowling.
Wow.
And that's where I filmed my intro video. Yeah. And then after bowling, we went to watch What Men Want. That movie, if you guys went to see it, like, I don't know, like I have a distinctive opinion about that movie. Like it wasn't really what I expected. That was my last day. That was, yeah, very, very eventful. And I wish I could have stayed the whole of Sunday. Like, I went back home Sunday morning, but the flights here where I live, it's just, yeah, they're not really frequent to go to Dublin, or else I would have stayed. Like, the morning flight was about £15. Yeah, right in there. And then the evening flight was like 140 something for no reason, like for absolutely no reason. But it is what it is. Next time I go, hopefully I'll spend more than 3 nights and 4 days. That was my trip. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Yeah, that's it, really. I was really, really happy to be back home in Dublin. That's my hometown. Like, after almost 2 years, it was just a good, very good experience. Dublin City is a beautiful city, and especially if you're with the right people, you will definitely enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, like the video. If you want to share, go ahead and share. If you want to leave a comment, go ahead and leave a comment so we can have a conversation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.